Welcome, myself Anil Kumar Chaurasia. I am going to present here RCE concept, which is present in irrigation module. There is the concept of RCE in irrigation. So I am going to present how one can submit the RCE of already approved project. Uh, RCE can be applied by the chief engineer in the same way as a fresh proposal by doing login in the system. Here I am doing login with UPC even as a chief engineer login. RC is concept which is related to irrigation only. It is not related to the flood control and flood control Ganga basin. There is no concept of RC in flood control and flood control Ganga basin. This concept is available in irrigation. So click on irrigation module. Here you can say there is PR, DPR, IC, revised cost estimate. Whenever your DPR is approved, then you are eligible to submit its RC. Here this is the screen where you can start your applying, or it will list out the work whatever you have done here and is with you. Here there is a concept of revised cost estimate for existing approved project. Here this entry shows that someone has worked on this proposal, and it is with this login it is still not submitted to the CWC. Suppose if you want to add new, then click here add, and you will find out the project whatever has been approved by you, got approved by you. Your project has been approved by the CWC. Here I am going to select June irrigation as a demo. Here it is clear that it is asking change in scope, yes or no. Suppose I choose here change in scope, yes. Then I will be allowed to change all the data. If I select change in scope no, then I can change the data of cost and BC ratio only. This user will not able to change any data which has been approved. Just I am taking no. Further go ahead. Next. Here you can see that these all are in non-editable format. Your whole form has been divided into sections. It's same as fresh DPR. Next. You can see that you cannot delete it. All are in uneditable format. Here you can see that estimated cost, BC ratio, price level is editable. No other data is editable. This is due to that I have selected here in June irrigation demo as well. I have selected here change in scope no. So I will not allow to change the data of others whatever has been approved. You will able to change the data of cost and BC ratio and price level. Based on your requirement you can fill this form. Now suppose if I want to change, no, there is my requirement change, click on change project. Okay, now this project click on yes. Okay, Now next, you are able to change the data here. Now all things are editable. Next, you are seeing the approved data, whatever has been approved by the CWC, it is automatically fetched here. Next, you can change any data because you have selected change in scope. Yes. Next, you can click here and change it. Now you can change your according to you. Based on your selection, this will become. Next, June demo attachment. You can upload more document here, because whatever the finalized demo is here, it will come to here. This chapter was finalized by the CWC. This data is coming from the data of CWC, whatever has been finalized for this proposal. You can change it. Next, all attachment are coming from there. You can add your also. Now next, I can submit it finally. Here for submit RC project is different, is that your project should be already approved, your proposal should be already approved, at least a DPR. If your DPR is approved, then you are eligible to fill RC of DPR. Now filling to that, there will be two options. It is clear from the first screen that change in scope, yes, no. Depend on this option, your data will be changed. If you change yes, all data you are allowed to change. If you change in no, then only cost and BC ratio will be changed. According to that, it will be appraised by the CWC. Now I am going to click it finally submit. Here you can see that it is submitted. Now it has gone from submit. This entry has been deleted from here and it has come to submitted. Here you can say you can see in revised cost estimate, you have submitted June irrigation demo Ajay first here. Suppose if in the same way, if your DPR has been approved 5 times, then you can fill 6th RC submitted, and its appraisal can be done by the internal user in the same way as other appraisal, as other proposals. Here I will explain how to submit an RCE of approved project. This feature is available in only irrigation. and after doing work you should do log out for security reason. Thank you.